ganito na lang. Marami tayong problema. I think the Marcos government has fallen short of the expectations. Ako, hindi ko ma-compare kasi pwede kong sabihin, mas mabuti siya ngayon kaysa aking panahon. I can even concede na ganon ang nangyayari. Pero it would not be a good reason for you to solve the problem just because you're doing right, more rights than the wrong ones that the other guy had committed in the past.